in the temporarily occupied Melitopol in Zaporozhye. There were several arrivals at once on several buildings squeezed out by the Russians. The dormitory of the Automotive Technical School, the location of the military, fell under the strikes. Russian Kamaz was blown up by an anti-tank mine. The date of the attack is unknown.
С подносом, блядь, материалов всяких, блядь, продуктов, печек, подорвался на противотанковой мине, блядь. Вот такая вот хуйня тут. Вот так вот, вон там мотор, вон картер валяется. Так вот разъебало, но вроде 200 нету. Тяжелые, но, блядь, все ранены. Разгружаем. Вон крыша лежит, блядь. Бампером уебало пацанов, нахуй. Здесь вот группа подноса стояла. Вот такая вот залупа. Бывает. С водителями. Пацаны вылетели через, блядь, крышу, кто в кузове сидел.
And this is some tank action from Bakhmut. And the latest modernization of the ancient T-62 MV tank. If Russians wanted to fight NATO, it seems they fast run out of modern tanks.
Yeah. Это солдаты едут.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.